Hello parents, welcome back to the platform of I Can Accomplish. My name is Shravanee Karnik and I'm the counselling psychologist by profession. In this video, we have come up for you with another interesting topic, and that is relaxation techniques. I'm sure parents at some point in time you all must have felt I just want to spend some time with myself, I just want to relax, yes or no? Similarly, our kids, our children also feel the same way. They also need some time for themselves in order to relax, in order to rebuild, re-energize their bodies, right? So keeping this in mind, we have come up with a very nice and interesting topic as I mentioned. And in this video, we are going to talk about the 5 of the very interesting and very handy relaxation techniques which you can all practice at home. So let's start. The first technique is the deep breathing exercise. You have to tell your children to take deep breaths and that they have to focus on your breaths. You can simply tell them that they all have to pretend as though they are smelling a flower as they inhale and that they are blowing out a candle as they exhale. I'm sure with this continuous trial and errors, your children will be able to focus on their inhalation and exhalation process. In short, your breathing process. Interesting, right? The next technique is a lazy cat technique. Again, you have to tell your children that all they have to do is to pretend as though they are a lazy cat who has just woken up from her sleep. And all they have to do is again, stretch their arms, stretch their legs and just relax. This activity proves to be one of the very important activities in releasing your muscle tension or your muscular tension. The next activity or the next technique is the lemon activity. Again, tell your children to pretend as though they are holding some nice lemons in their hand and tell them to squeeze as hard as they can. Apart from practicing or focusing on your relaxation techniques, here you are also tapping on one of the very important goals of enhancing or working on your fine motor skills. Interesting, right? The next activity is called as the feather or statue activity, a feather statue activity. Again, you have to tell your children as though they are a feather which is floating on air. And as soon as you feel that they are into some kind of a posture, all you have to do is put them on a statue mode. Do this feather and statue activity repeatedly or a couple of times because this activity also proves to be of a great muscle relaxing activity. I'm sure you and your kids will enjoy this. Well, you are getting your goal sorted and you're also playing and spending time with your children, right? The final activity for the day is the balloon activity or the stress ball balloon activity. All you can do with your children is to ask them to make or create the balloons or the balls of their own by putting some lentils or grains or rice into small balloons and making balloons of this shape. All they have to do or all you have to instruct them is to squeeze and release the balloons in both hands or in one hand as you wish. This acts as a very important stress buster. You can also make use of certain stress balls for doing these activities. So did you find these activities interesting? I'm sure you did because they prove to be as extremely easy and handy tools which can be administered on children on a day-to-day basis, right? So let us know in your comments how did you find this video, and we'll be happy and eager to come to you with more such handy and effective tools for all your children and yourself. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and let us know in your comments if you have practiced this video or the activities from this video. Also, we have a website called www.icanaccomplish.com. Don't forget to visit the website to find out who we are and what we do. Until then, stay tuned for more such videos from our side and more such updates from our side. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Till then, take care, stay safe and thank you.